Mary, the waiting room is full. There are 12 patients and only 3 chairs.
I know. Mrs. Costa has been waiting for 1 hour. She looks very tired.
We need to call Dr. Lima. The afternoon schedule is too slow.
Uh, Dr. Lima is with a patient now. He cannot stop.
What can we do? Some people are standing near the door.
I have an idea. There are extra chairs in the break room. Can you bring them here?
Yes, good idea. I can bring 4 chairs right now.
And I will talk to the patients. I will explain the delay.
Tell them the doctor is working hard. It is not a long wait now.
Okay. Also, John, the elderly man in the blue shirt, he needs to sit down now.
I see him. I will bring his chair first.
Thank you. You are fast.
Done. 4 chairs are ready.
The patients look better now. Thank you, John.
No problem. Next time, we need a bigger waiting room.
Talk to the director about that.